welcome back to my channel. I am Vaidehi. If you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel or if you are new to my channel, then just quickly go and subscribe to my channel. It's free, and don't forget to hit that bell icon to get notified when I'll post my new videos. So in today's video, I'm going to be telling you how you can create the classic black smoky eye look. As you can see, I created this makeup look, this black smoky eye look, and the way that I'm telling you to create this makeup look is the easiest because I tried it for myself first and then I'm telling you to guys. So if you are interested watching this video, then just keep watching and we'll start our makeup tutorial.
Here I am using my Blue Heaven primer on my eyelids. Then I am using my concealer on my eyelids as a base for my eye makeup look. To set the concealer, here I am using my Maybelline Fit Me Compact. Here I am applying a piece of tape from the outer corner of my eyes to the end tip of my eyebrows to make my eye look more sharpened. So first I am taking this light brown shade to apply it on my crease as a transition shade. And make sure you will blend the eyeshadow really well. Then I am using my kajal and applying a little bit on my eyelids, and I am simply just smudging it with my fingers. And the kajal that I am using is not from any brand, it's my DIY homemade kajal. So if you want to know that how I made this kajal, then just let me know in the comments down below. I'll make an IGTV video for you guys, so don't forget to follow me on Instagram. My ID is thatdusky0. Here I am applying a black eyeshadow on the kajal and blending both really well with my eye brush. For blending, I will suggest to use fluffy blending brush. I don't have that fluffy brush with me right now, so I am using this flat blending brush. Now remove both the tapes. So here our eye makeup look is completed, and now we are going to do our base makeup. I applied the same Blue Heaven primer on my face already, and then I'm using my Huda Beauty concealer and applying it under my eyes and wherever I have any dark spots or pigmentations, just to hide them. Then I'm blending my concealer.
Till I get up, time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't.
So now I'm applying foundation, and for the foundation I'm using Maybelline Fit Me Matte Plus Poreless Foundation, and I'm in the shade 332 Golden Caramel. I'm taking a little bit of the product on my hand and applying it on my face with the help of fingers. Now I am blending my foundation with the help of Beauty Blender, and make sure you blend the foundation very well, otherwise you will see some patches on your face if you haven't blended your foundation well. Now I am applying compact all over my face with the help of a makeup brush to set everything, and the compact that I am using is that same Maybelline Fit Me compact that I have used earlier. And keep in mind, never use dragging motion to apply your compact, foundation or concealer using your makeup brush or beauty blender. Always use dabbing motion.
Echoing around these walls.
Now I'm ending up my eye look using mascara.
I don't wanna miss a beat. And on we'll go through the
Applying a little bit of blush on my cheeks.
till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go through the wastelands, through the highways. And on we'll go.
Now I am taking this light shimmer shade as an highlighter and applying it on my cheekbones and nose.
And we'll grow in numbers.
Then I am taking a smaller eye brush to apply the highlighter in my inner corners and onto my brow bones.
Thousands, and we'll grow in number, fueled by them to see the horizon, turn us to thousands. And on we'll go through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go.
And now I am ending up my whole makeup look with the help of lipstick, and the lipstick that I am using is from Swiss Beauty in the shade Nude Brown. At last, I am using my Blue Heaven makeup setting spray to set my whole makeup look. And here we are done with our classic black smoky eye makeup look tutorial.
So that's it for today. I hope this video was helpful for you guys because I showed you the easiest way to create this look, and you can carry this look for your New Year Eve, any evening functions. So do hit like to this video and don't forget to subscribe my channel. I will see you in the next video. Bye.